Hello guys, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend today on Saturday, September the 4th, 2021. We have here in this additional six extra puzzles. Three of them I will solve, and I've solved already the 3-star Sudoku and the binary. So the third one is a 4 stars puzzle, a tectonic, and tomorrow I will solve the rest of the puzzles, the rest of the 3 puzzles, but this one will be number 3347. Yes, before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits, so it could be a hard one. We will see if this is a hard one. All right. And for a 4 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve if it's really a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, always a 1. Here also single box, always a 1. Can we see here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here a dual box. It contains the 1 and 2. I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2. Well, we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? No, triple boxes. I see here the triple box. Here also a triple box. And remember, the triple box, the inside box, this is the inside box of this triple box, is always 4 or 5. So let me mark this 4 or 5. Well, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then here also a triple box, and I've told you the inside box, that is this box, the box near the middle box. Okay, the center box. Yes, 4 or 5, 4 or 5. Okay, well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 should be there. So those 2 boxes could be should be the 1 or a 2. Okay, more triple boxes? No, I cannot see triple boxes. The quadra box, I see here the quadra box. 1 quadra box, yeah, 1 quadra box with 4 boxes. And we have a 1 here. The quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay, and those boxes I do not know. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. Yeah. Let me move over here. Some shapes. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw this, the T shape. The T shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Let me mark this. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. But also in the T shape or T figure, construction or structure, whatever you name it, this box has also the same number as that box. So we have 2 of those boxes. Then the following figure or shape that you need to recognize, this shape. Let me draw this. Yes. All right. This box has always the same number as that box. Okay. So this box, same number as that box. Do we see more of this kind of shape? Yeah, here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here, okay. But rotated. This box is rotated. If you compare with this figure, not box, this figure, yes. More of this kind of shape, yeah, here also this shape is rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. 3 of those figures. Then the following shape or figure. How about this figure? All right, this figure. This box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. All right, so this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. Here, another one, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. This shape, yes. More of this kind of shape? No. I think those are the shapes or figures. Let me scan this. That you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are 3, but there are more. But in this puzzle, we have 3 of them. And then the following step, then it's easy for filling the numbers. That's the next step. Let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Oh, all right. All right. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. All right. All right. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Oh, wait. No. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 in this triple box. So 1 box left in this triple box for the number 2. And this 2 is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. It's a pair. All right. So this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 5. Okay. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 here. I cannot place a 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it must be a 5, this box. Cannot be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. One box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5, alright. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. Well, this box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Then, well, let me see. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore, that box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this triple box for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Alright. Yeah. Let me see. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So the other pair in this area should be for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, let me mark those. Alright. Let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, and in the same area it can be a 5. So yeah, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 3. Well, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 in this dual box, and that box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Then 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 3 here. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there, and the 4 goes here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Yes, in this area. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Then. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yeah, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Let me see. This box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 here. If I fill a 4 here, I cannot place any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And that box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. All right. Great. Tectonic. But is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 60 minutes. So I think whether it's a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I thought maybe it was a 4 stars because it has 11 printed digits. Well, I've managed to solve this in 60 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes, thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday with the rest of the puzzles of today's additional. Until then, bye bye for now.